A lot of stocks are popping off today in the stock market. A lot of stocks. We got extreme FOMO going on in the markets. Extreme FOMO. FOMO meter is at all-time high right now. How do you know when FOMO is at all-time high? When everybody's freaking out and having FOMO, fear of missing out. They chase after everything. When you look across the board and you just see all of these stocks having huge, gigantic moves. Let's bring them all up real quick. CRTD running from $3 up to almost $5. We had the big boy CARV running from $16 up to $38. We had U1 gapping up, squeezing from $8 up to $11. COHN, look at this bad boy, halting nonstop, running from $20 up to $42. I know, insane moves happening in the markets. MRIN from $16 running up to $20.50. And when you scroll back, this just went on an epic run. Weighed back here at $1.50, topping out at $27. BLIN following MRIN. This thing went from $2 all the way to $14. We've had ALF go on an extreme run from $3.50 to $20. SQBG, past few days, $10 to $30. FOMO is in the markets. All these low float stocks are popping off and going crazy. This is the lesson I want to get in with you guys. You can easily get overwhelmed and excited because you're seeing all of these stocks explode and take off. And you're thinking to yourself, man, I'm missing out on all of these moves. Look at these stocks explode. Man, if I would have gotten in on that, I could have made a couple $1,000s. It could have made my week or my month. You get overwhelmed and this feeling overwhelms you. You're missing out. You don't want to miss out on the action. And you end up chasing after stocks, or you get zeroed in on just one specific stock and you just screw it all up. The perfect example from today, myself, me, U1. Prime example today, guys. And I'm about to bring over and show you guys my P&L. U1 was the stock we were talking about pre-market. And I messed up. I zeroed in on a garbage stock. And I took an L on U1. And I got stubborn. I got stubborn on U1. And I kept trading it and trading it and trading it. And I'm looking at all these other stocks. And they're exploding and taking off, having just easy money moves. And I'm over here being stubborn on U1. I started the day trading U1. I put myself in the hole, negative $13,000. Focusing on this garbage. So how did it all start? I preach to you guys, do not trade pre-market. Stay away from pre-market trading. You're trading pre-market. Let's say you do take a loss pre-market. The day hasn't even started yet, and you're already digging your hole. Stock market opens at 9:30 to 4 o'clock. We have 6.5 hours. The market is open, filled with opportunity. I jump in pre-market on U1 thinking it's going to squeeze up to $10. Yeah, I was right. It did that, but my timing was off. I jump in way too early. So I jump in pre-market. Market opens, it starts tanking, and I sell it for a loss, only to watch it squeeze all the way up to $11. I just sold it for a loss, and now it squeezes to the upside. Now it triggers my emotions, and I knew I was right, and I get stubborn, and I chase after it, and I take another loss. I buy the pullback at 1050s, anticipating that break over 1150, and I just get demolished on this thing. It killed my confidence. You guys all know the feeling when you take a bad loss. You feel sick to your stomach. You're disgusted with yourself. I knew I was in the wrong. I knew I did wrong. I gained my composure. I looked past this stock and I said, all right, I gotta focus. Majority of you guys should just walk away and be done for the day. Because it really takes a lot to condition yourself to get to a high level of handling your emotions, getting back into the zone, and making a comeback. All across the board, all of these stocks are running. So I'm going to take it one trade at a time. Try and work my way back. I got to now dig myself out of this hole that I created. I zeroed in on this one specific stock. I let my emotions get the best of me. And it just goes to show, guys, I'm 6 years into this. And even I myself let my emotions get the best of me sometimes. It happens to all of us. It's human nature. We're not robots. We're human. So one stock at a time, I start chipping away, trying to get back. We had CARV have a good big run on it. Slowly but surely, I start chipping away. I was able to make just over 6,000 on this. All right, let's go. I've made back half of what I've lost. I'm on the right track. Let's keep going. What else did we trade? BLIN and MRIN. So then MRIN pops up. All right, I made almost 2,000 on MRIN. Let's keep it going. Let's stay on track. I'm on the right path. We're almost there. Taking it one trade at a time. Focusing on the trade. Getting in the zone. You cannot let your emotions dictate your future. I know I messed up. I know I let my emotions get the best of me. I gotta move on from it. I cannot let it dictate my future. So MRIN pops off. Then BLIN pops off. I load up on BLIN. Now I've made $5,600. I was able to bring myself up and out of the red. Now I'm in the green. I'm up $440. But hey, I'd much rather end today green. I don't care if it's a couple $100 than being red, especially being red $13,000. That's a big stab in the stomach. Big stab in the stomach. And not everybody can do this. Not everybody can do this, like I've said. Some people, that's all the money that they have. So they cannot emotionally come back. They're going to dwell on it. They're going to have it on their mind. They're going to revenge trade, and they're just going to dig deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. You really have to emotionally condition yourself to forget about what just happened and focus 100% on the next trade. knowing when your emotions trigger, recognizing it, and admitting defeat. Nobody likes to admit when they're wrong. Nobody. So I just thought that this would be a really good lesson for you guys. I was in the past. If I took a bad trade, like you won, it would have taken me days, weeks to try to recover emotionally from something like this. I'd be scared going into the next trade, doubting myself. You cannot do that. I know what I'm doing. I believe in myself. I know what to look out for. So if you believe in yourself, that's where it all comes from. I admitted I was wrong. I focused on a garbage stock. And it just goes to show, like I've said, it happens to all of us. I call it tunnel vision. You get tunnel vision on one garbage stock, and then you're overlooking all of the easy plays that are going on. So when I try to say to you guys, try to always flip through multiple different stocks throughout the day. Do not just focus on one specific stock. Because you may focus on one specific stock, but there may be other 3-4 stocks right in front of your face that are just easy textbook money laying on the floor type of plays. You always want to be jumping around, keeping your eyes fresh, looking at charts. Don't get zeroed in, because if you focus on one specific chart, you're going to start seeing stuff that's not there. You're going to start seeing setups that aren't that great, but you're telling yourself, this is a good setup still. It could come back. I'm not in the game of hoping. I'm in this game to jump around and look for those best risk versus reward opportunities, because they come and go so fast. CARV. So much opportunity on this specific stock here. So much opportunity. And it's still running up, running up, running up. MRIN. We talked about it in the pre-market prep. We said this stock was pulling back for a couple days and it's due for a good bounce. Keep it on close watch. What did it do? It wedged out right here and it fell to the downside, and then it came right back up and it starts holding up above that wedge. So you have to tell yourself, all right, shorts just got trapped right there. Now shorts are underwater and they all have to cover as it's back up here. You have shorts covering, you have retail traders coming in and buying. What do I call it, guys? I call it the double whammy. I gotta bring up the picture. The double whammy pick. You get that double whammy, that's what leads to these big explosions like this. From $16.50 up to $21. That's a $4.50 move to the upside, all within what, 10 minutes? That's good opportunity right there. Keep showing up every day. Keep looking at these charts. Learn from your mistakes. Monitor your emotions. Monitor your thoughts. Learn from your thoughts and your emotions and your trades. This is how you get better. Every single day you get better and better and better and better and better. And then when you see new people come into this game and you've been doing this for a couple years, you look at that new person and you're like, yeah, I don't see you making it, bro. I don't. Because you know how much you had to go through to get where you're currently at. And most people do not want to put in the work to get better every single day. Does that make sense? I can do this. You guys can do this. You just have to learn about yourself, learn about your emotions, learn how to handle your emotions and control yourself. Like I've said, do not let one trade dictate your future. We got a nice little rounding bottom here on MRIN. This could easily ramp back up to its highs at 21. I do this for you guys. I've discovered not only am I a good trader, I'm a good teacher as well. So if I can teach you guys to be better in life and go after your goals and have that financial freedom, I love that stuff. I love when you guys post your P&Ls in chat and I see you guys growing every single day. It's a great feeling knowing you're helping other people see the opportunity that's out here in the stock market. So if you guys are still here and watching this video, what are you waiting for? Join Trading Learning 101. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Wolf Pack. Be a part of the community here. I mean, it's a win-win. It is. All right, guys. That's my video for the day. I hope you guys took away a couple lessons from it. As I always say, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later. Picking up on the second half of the day, CARV is getting the push from 30 back up here to high of day at 38.39. We're on our way to $50. I started the day down $13,000 and was able to crawl my way out. And CARV made my day. Now I can lock in these profits. I'm up 4.4 thousand on the day. Awesome job. Very proud of myself for composure, gathering myself, refocusing, starting over, crawling back, and pushing into the positive. Not everybody can do this. Not everybody. CARV, life-changing moves. Compared to something like AMC, you gotta hold on to it for 2-3 months, and people are still holding on to AMC, as AMC is at $50, and it took how long for it to make a move like this? It took from way back here at the beginning of the year, so 7 months it took for it to make a run. 7 months from $10 up to $72. And we're seeing stocks in a day like NEGG going on a run in one day from $10 to $80. CARV in one day running from $10 to $40. This is where the real money's at. And then you go to bed every single night sitting cash, starting the next day fresh, no positions, not having to stress over your swing trade working or your bag. When can I sell this bag? This is where the money's at, guys. Day trading. If you want to learn how I am able to do this every single day, join the Wolf Pack. Like I've said, Trading Learning 101. Click that subscribe button, join the community, and participate in the Discord. We got guys out here pulling in $1,800 in one day. One day, pulling in $1,800. That's awesome. Great job, guys.